rock ore. All ores are minerals. China clay is a bauxite of aluminum. China clay is a bauxite of ore of aluminum.
China clay is the mineral of aluminum. Bauxite is the ore of aluminum.
10 points then. Okay, question number 2. F center.
Anionic vacancies occupied by unpaired electrons are called F centers.
Once again.
Anionic vacancies occupied by unpaired electrons are called F centers.
Anionic vacancies occupied by unpaired electron is what is called as F center. 10 points granted. Question number 3. Activation energy.
In order to react, the colliding molecule possesses minimum energy is called activation energy.
Once again.
In order to react, the colliding particle possesses minimum energy is called activation energy.
In order to react, okay, the reactant should possess a minimum amount of energy, which is otherwise called as activation energy. 5 points to team blue. This must be the fourth question, right? Fourth question, galvanization.
Coating other metals with zinc is called galvanization. Coating of other metals with zinc is called galvanization. Other metals with zinc is called galvanization. Example OS.
Example?
OS.
Cementation. Next question. What are the various factors? What are the various factors that affect adsorption?
Nature of the adsorbate, pressure, concentration at a temperature.
Once again.
Nature of the adsorbate, pressure, concentration at a temperature.
10 points granted. So what's the score, sir? So red is with 115 points and blue is with 145 points. Applications of Ellingham diagram.
Ellingham diagram is used to select a suitable reducing agent and appropriate temperature range for reduction. Ellingham diagram predicts the thermodynamic feasibility of the reaction. Ellingham diagram helps us to select a suitable reducing reagent and appropriate temperature range for reduction. Ellingham diagram is used to predict the thermodynamic feasibility of other reaction.
10 points granted. Italian fusion. Write the reaction of Italian fusion. 10 points granted. So next question. Distinguish between rate and rate constant.
Rate constant, it represents the speed in which reactants are converted into products. It is a proportionality constant. It is measured as a decrease in the concentration of the reactants or increase in the concentration of the product. It is equal to the rate of the reaction when the concentration of each of the reactants is in unity. It depends upon the initial concentration of the reactant. It does not depend upon the initial concentration of the reactant.
10 points granted. Next question. Scott and Bowman. You have to be a little. Granted. You are ready. Inert pair effect.
In heavier post-transition metal, the outer electron have a tendency to remain inert and such reluctance to take part in bonding. This is called inert pair effect.
One more time.
In heavier post-transition metal, the outer s electron have a tendency to remain inert and such reluctance to take part in bonding. This is called inert pair effect.
10 points granted. Frinkel defect.
Frinkel defect arises due to the dislocation of ions from its crystal lattice. Cations and anions differ in size. Example AgBr.
10 points granted. Now some other students can represent, okay, other than Bhuvanesh and Ashwin, okay, some other students of team and some other students from the team also. 165 points red team and 155 points of blue team. So now so far we have discussed only the 70 questions which I have told you to study, right? Now time to make it more interesting. Okay, so let's move to multiple choice questions. Look back, MCQs. Okay, so those questions. So the first question is, which of the following metal have the largest abundance in earth crust? You need option. Okay, aluminum, calcium, magnesium and sodium.
Aluminum.
5 points. Which of the following fluorocompounds is most likely to behave as a Lewis base? Boron trifluoride, PF3, CF4 and SiF4. Once again, BF3, PF3, CF4, SiF4.
PF3.
10 points granted. Sorry, 5 points granted. See, if there's a wrong answer, I will be giving -10. Okay, keep that in mind. So he is taking a risk of pressing the buzzer. You can also take the same risk also. A zero-order reaction, X gives product with an initial concentration of 0.02 m as an half-life of 10 minutes. If one starts with a concentration of 0.04 m, then the half-life would be
20 ml, sir.
20
ml. 20 minutes.
20 minutes. 10 points. Which one given below is a non-reducing sugar? Glucose, sucrose, maltose, lactose.
Fructose.
I haven't given you an option called as fructose. Once again, glucose, sucrose, maltose, lactose. Which one of the following is a non-reducing sugar? Glucose, sucrose, maltose, and lactose.
Fructose.
Hey, we don't have fructose in option at all. Maltose is the wrong answer. -10. Could you give a right answer? What would be? Glucose, sucrose, maltose, lactose. No, it is sucrose. Which of the following can act as low bonded acid as well as base? Hydrochloric acid, sulfate ion, phosphate ion, bromate ion. Once again, options are HCl, SO4 2 minus, HPO4 2 minus, Br minus. HCl, SO4 2 minus, HPO4 2 minus, Br minus.
HPO 4 2 minus.
5 points granted. Next question. Formation of cyanohydrin. Formation of cyanohydrin from acetone is an example of nucleophilic substitution, electrophilic substitution, electrophilic addition, nucleophilic addition.
Nucleophilic addition.
5 points granted. Now. $175, $165, and $175. Since it is close, I am proceeding. Okay. It reach a difference of 30 points. Okay. Just alert me when there is a difference between 30 points between two teams. Which of the following amino acid are H-chiral? Alanine, leucine, proline, glycine.
Glycine.
5 points granted. Solid corp. We'll move to another question. Addition of a catalyst during a chemical reaction alters which of the following quantity? Addition of a catalyst during a chemical reaction alters which of the following quantity? Enthalpy, activation energy, entropy, internal energy. 5 points granted. Solid carbon dioxide is an example of. Solid carbon dioxide is an example of. Option. Covalent solid, metallic solid, molecular solid, ionic solid. Solid carbon dioxide is an example of covalent solid, metallic solid, molecular solid, ionic solid.
Metallic solid.
Metallic solid is a wrong answer. Following compounds on reaction with methyl magnesium bromide will give tertiary alcohol. Which of the following compound on reaction with methyl magnesium bromide will give tertiary alcohol? Option: benzaldehyde, proponic acid, methyl propionate, acetaldehyde.
Methyl propanate.
Methyl propionate. 5 points. Collodion is a 4% solution of. Collodion is a 4% solution of which one of the following compound? In alcohol ether mixture. Nitroglycerin, cellulose acetate, glycol dinitrite, nitrocellulose. Cellulose acetate. That's a wrong answer. Nitrocellulose is the right answer. Minus 10. The most effective electrolyte for the coagulation of arsenic sulfide is NaCl, BaNO3 twice, K3FeCN6, Al2SO4 thrice. Let me repeat the options. NaCl, BaNO3 twice, K3FeCN6, Al2SO4 thrice.
Al2SO4 thrice.
Al2SO4 thrice. 5 points granted. Nylon is an example of. Polyamide, polyethylene, polyester, polysaccharide. Polyamide, polyethylene, polyester, polysaccharide. Once again. Polysaccharide. Polysaccharide is the wrong answer. Polyamide. Minus 10 for them. That's a 30-mark difference. Let's end up with this now. Okay. So what's the score? So red with 150 points and blue with 180 points, which means blue team is the winner.